Moxi Skates YouTube channel. I'm Evelyn Ivy, and today we are unboxing the Moxi Pads by 187 Killer Pads. The Moxi Pads come in 5 different sizes: junior, extra small, small medium, large extra large, and lastly our thick set, also known as 2XL. They come in 3 different colors, and each set is going to come with wrist guards, elbow, and knee pads. And as a reminder, friends, you want to make sure you're measuring the joints of each area to make sure you're getting the most accurate fit. Let's start off with how they look. They come in 3 different colors: jade, pink, and lavender, along with a rainbow elastic strap. Now let's take a closer look. Now that I took them out of the packaging, let's take an even closer look. These pads are made with industrial weight stitching that will ensure extra durability. They're also really soft on the inside. Why, you may ask? Because they have a seamless interior finish. When wearing these pads, they will give you a streamlined shape. This will add for mobility and comfortability. You can also wear these pads if you're skating the streets with your friends, visiting your local skate park, or wherever your wheels take you. These pads will truly cradle your elbows and your knees for extra protection. And each set will come with a size-specific cap to minimize bulk and to allow for a more free skate. So whether you're a new skater or you're just looking to replace your current pad set, check out Moxi Pads at moxiskates.com. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for visiting the Moxi YouTube channel. Go ahead and like, subscribe if you want to see more products, you want to see more skaters, you want to grow this community. Yeah, let us know what you want to see. Comment down below. We appreciate you. All right, see you later.